used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where there's no sin allowed. The sin is like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name.
All my real life Christians, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christians, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christians, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is CC, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a wig review. The wig I am going to review today is Dakota, and she is from the Vivica A. Fox Swiss Lace Front Wig, natural baby hairs, and she definitely does have baby hairs. You really have to be careful when you are cutting the lace that you do not cut the baby hairs off. Okay, this is the unit. This is what she looked like coming out of the package, and she actually does look just like this. Like the curls are really, really full and everything. I actually put her on today. I did the video earlier, and I'm not even going to discuss what happened. But anyway, so this is what she looks like. She puts me in the mind of an ultra unit, shorty, and it's another unit that was out. I cannot remember the name of it. If you guys, that was similar to this. If you guys remember the name, please comment down below, because it was a unit that I really wanted. And during the time it was out, my money was just funny. And I could not, I'm not going to say I could not afford, but I chose to spend my money on things more important than some wigs, okay? So when I saw this unit, I was like, I want this. I really want it. She is in a color 42730. And I purchased this unit from the Wigslayers group. Okay, well, let me go back. I purchased the unit from Go Beauty New York. That's www.gobeautynewyork.com. Not New York, gobeautyny.com. Okay, www.gobeautyny.com. Okay, I will post the link down below in the beauty bar and right here. But I purchased the unit from there, and I got the link from the unit from a group I'm in. It's called Wigslayers. Wigslayers, okay? You will find it on Facebook. The young lady that runs the group is Nicole. She's Epic Shay here on the YT. So I need you guys to please go check her out. Check her out on the YT. She just did a video today. Please go over and show her some love. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Wigslayers, okay? Wigslayers is thebomb.com. Nicole, every month, she gets us a discount code. So the discount code will give you anywhere from 40 to 50% off of the wigs. Plus, at Go Beauty NY, they have $4.99 flat rate shipping. So if you find a wig on there for $10, you're going to spend it's going to be $10 for the wig and $4.99 for shipping. So you're going to get a wig for $14.99. Okay. So anywho, and these are quality wigs. Let me tell you, they are not no poo butt. They not the big hump wigs you see on Facebook. This is not a scam. Your girl done spent plenty of money. Okay, the last wig I reviewed, Gail, that was from the same site, same deal. Okay. Anywho, I'm not going to give you the code because I did not work for that code. This is Nicole's work. This is her code. And if you would like the code, go over to Wigslayers, or if you follow her here on the YT, Epic Shay, go comment on her video, inbox her. It's not my code to give out, okay? And that's a whole nother video, but it's not my code to give out. So anywho, every month she gets us a code, plus she also gets us $10 wigs, okay? It's a selection of wigs, anywhere from 12 to 20 wigs, and they are quality, okay? They not no booty wigs. These are quality wigs, and we get them for $9.99 with the $4.99 shipping. And if you spend like $60, I think you get free shipping, but I ain't got it like that right now. No, I take that back. I choose not to spend it like that right now. Okay, but anywho, this is one of the wigs. This is the first set of wigs out of the first set, because I got 3 sets. But anywho, so this is out of the first set, and this is Dakota. As you can see, Dakota has a comb here, and she has a comb here. She has the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. She has the soft lace in the front, the soft Swiss lace, and lace parting. Okay. She was really, really curly. As I said, I did this video earlier, straight out of the package, and she was really curly, but I actually like the way the curls have fallen. I'm more comfortable with them like this. I think this looks better on me. Okay, this is how I like it. I actually really like this unit. When I first opened her up and put her on, when I first opened her up, I loved her. When I put her on, I was like, ooh, okay, I don't know here. But she is growing on me, and I actually do like her. I think she would look really cute with me in my contacts. Okay. Also, the parting is very close together. You do have to pluck the part. Okay, and I did do that. I plucked the part, and I'm going to show you ladies a chocolate girl's trick. What did I just do with it? I just had it. Oh, chocolate girl's trick. If you are chocolate like me, maybe a little bit lighter, a little darker, and you can't seem to get your part to act right, like you see, not being funny, you see some of the lighter complected girls, they could put that makeup on that part is popping. It is just A1. Well, this is what I found. This is a bronze Sharpie, and I got it from Lowe's for 98 cents. And you guys, I love what this does for my part, and I love how it blends into my complexion, and I don't have to, it does not look fake or phony, okay? I mean, like, literally, it blends right in, and do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Like, it literally blends right in. Ain't no extra, ain't nothing. I just have to go through here with this Sharpie, okay? And that is it, okay? And 98 cents, you can't beat it. If you don't have a Lowe's in your area, you could probably get this from Walmart or Walgreens. Let me give you a 360 of the unit, and I will comb this side down so you can actually see how she looks combed down. Here is your 360, and here, sorry y'all, here is this side kind of combed down. I'm looking in the mirror behind me, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm trying to get this. But yeah, I actually love Dakota. Again, you can purchase her from www.GoBeautyNY. Please check her out. Please check out Epic Shay here on the YT. And please check out the Facebook group Wigslayers. Yes, become a Wigslayer today. With that, I want you to have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day. The rest of your day, almost night, okay? I want you to tell somebody you love them, y'all. Don't wait too late. And I also definitely want you to remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.